What if I told you you can own this home for just $3,200 a month, and this one with just $3,000 a month? Deer Brooke, a community of 1,300 newly built homes, is located in Leander, Texas. Talking about the quality of construction with Chesmar, for the exterior of their homes, they use what's called the zip system. Most builders out in the marketplace build their homes with an alternative material, which is basically just a cardboard. But talking about Chesmar quality, here we are. Here's the highlight, absolutely the highlight of this home. Surprise, we got a upstairs patio right there. This would be definitely a feature in my house personally. Like, look at that view. You can afford this one with just $3,200 a month. Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Properties Real Estate channel. Here I drop weekly videos to show you guys the best of Austin brand new communities. If we haven't met yet, my name is Mehrshad, a realtor in the greater Austin, Texas area, and my #1 goal is to help you make the most educated decision about your next move. So if you're thinking about relocating within our fabulous city, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss on any of these videos I bring for you on weekly basis. So today we are in Leander, Texas, a community of Deer Brooke, which has been around for quite some time. And the home that you see I'm standing in is from Chesmar Homes, which is also a local Texas builder out of Houston, and they do pride themselves in the quality of construction, not only in the finishes, but also behind the walls. I know you're excited just as much as I am to walk through this home and see the beauty of it, but before that, let's explore what's really nearby and what amenities are within short driving distance to this community. And this was part of the decoration I grabbed. It's not really my hat or part of my style, but let me know if you like it, if I should go full Texan or not. Deer Brooke, a community of 1,300 newly built homes, is located in Leander, Texas, which is about 45 minutes north of downtown Austin. Zoned for Leander ISD, the neighborhood includes an amenity center with a full-on gym, a pool, and a serene trail system which is perfect for hiking and biking. 8 minutes to HEB, 20 minutes to Costco, and if you are into sports, you can catch a pickup game in the afternoons at the Robin Bledsoe Fields just down the street. Chesmar offers 4 different floor plans in the low to high 400,000s as of the filming of this video. We will be walking the Maeve at first, and then we'll wrap it up with the Wilson. Make sure you stick around for that, where we're going to be breaking down the numbers in detail. Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Austin and the suburbs? Well, consider joining our Facebook group community, where we share all the exclusive deals and best offers by different home builders. Buying a brand new home can be quite overwhelming. You're gonna have to drive to different communities, talk to numerous sales agents to find out what kind of deals and offers they have. Well, lucky for you, we've done the legwork. All you have to do is join our Facebook group and gain access to these deals on a daily basis. Simply look for the link tree on the bottom of this video or in the description of our bio. Click on joining the Facebook group, fill out a quick questionnaire, and you get access to these deals on a daily basis. See you there. Talking about the quality of construction with Chesmar, One of the great advantages they have is that for the exterior of their homes, they use what's called the zip system. Most builders out in the marketplace build their homes with an alternative material, which is basically just the cardboard for moisture barrier. But these guys across the board build their homes with this solid wood, which is insulated with these green stuff and doesn't let in moisture or other things inside of your house. So talking about Chesmar quality, here we are. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, 2,600 square feet of living space. You can afford this one with just $3,200 a month. For exact details and pricing, feel free to give me a call at the number you see on the screen. So as you can see, the main construction material is brick, number 26. These are part of the Deer Brooke cottages, which are homes that are designed for folks who don't really want a lot of yard, don't really need it, don't want to keep up with the maintenance. And so the lots over here are not as big. So as you can see, you got a nice 8-foot door on the entrance, luxury vinyl plank, a foyer that goes all the way to the second story, access to the garage to the right, and the first bedroom and full bath to the left. You could also use this one as an office, but if you had some family staying over, this could work as a full-on bedroom. This will take you all the way up. See the nice railing, which is an upgrade. And this is the main living area. Notice those huge windows, which is something I've only seen with Chesmar so far, or some of the more expensive builders. But at this price point, it's a really nice feature to have. Look at that nice shaped island. It's huge, perfect for hosting parties. We've got a 10-foot ceiling throughout, which makes the home feel a lot more spacious. This is where the fridge will be. Got a pantry right here. Well, actually, never mind, it's a coat closet. Pantry must be on the other side. Yes, there it is. Nice walk-in. 5-burner cooktop. Look at the matching of those colors in the cabinets. Make it really, really stylish. Got a full sink and an informal dining area. Let's check out this huge back patio. Surprise! We got a upstairs patio right there, which will go from the owner's suite. You know, still decent sized backyard. Not the biggest, but still decent. As you can see, the brick wraps around the whole house. This nice little area will be great for your decoration. So when you have guests coming over, and this could really set the vibe of your home. Now this one also has a game room on the second story, and I really, really like the way it sits within the home. kind of really separates this game room space with the other part, which are the bedrooms, creating a really nice flow. Now I think here's the highlight, absolutely the highlight of this home, this awesome master. Nice windows right there, farmhouse style. To the right is the master bath with a his and hers. Of course, she gets the one with the more drawer space. Now, it's a stand-up shower. We got a decent size closet. Now, if you were wondering, where did I grab the hat? Well, they had 3 of them. It was kind of tempting, but I put it back. All right, so we got this closet, toilets, and nice lenient. And I think the absolute favorite part of the house, the back porch on the 2nd floor, right next to the master. This would be definitely a feature in my house personally. Like, look at that view. You wake up in the morning, you step out to this patio. Look at that beautiful view and the skies, and then it just sets the tone of your day. All right, let's take a look at the other bedrooms. And before we do that, here's the laundry right next to the master, which is a great spot. You don't have to travel around the house to do laundry. We got one of the bedrooms, the bath, which is a full one with a shower and tub. And then here we are with the final bedroom, which in this orientation gets a lot of natural light. All right, so here is this home. We're gonna go check out the other one. Are you serious about buying a brand new construction home in the Austin, Texas area? Then consider downloading our 7 steps on how to buy a brand new construction home. Inside, I share 6 years of experience working with various different builders. You'll learn how the process works from start to finish. You learn how to choose the right builder that matches your needs, and then also what key questions to ask to put yourself in a strong negotiation position with these builders. Don't go in unprepared. Trust me, download this guide and you'll thank yourself later. So this is the Wilson, which is currently their model home in this little boutique community. It's about 2,400 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's actually a 2-story, but it doesn't look like it. So if you're, kind of like the look of the single story, but you still want a 2-story, this could match in perfectly. So I'm gonna walk through it briefly. We're gonna give you guys the number breakdown for this specific home and see what your monthly payment consists of if you choose to live here. So as you can see, we've got a little front patio, not too much, but enough for the decorations. Also a nice 8-foot door. I really like the color of this one, nice brown. And brick on the exterior. And right as you enter, you got this nice little entrance area, which separates the entrance from the rest of the home, which I'm personally a big fan of. I don't really like when you walk in and immediately everything is over there. Your kitchen is over there, your living room was over there. So that's a really nice separation to have. To the left, we got the first bedroom, the bath, and then the connection to the laundry room, which goes through the master bedroom. And here we are with the main area. The neighborhood has a 2% tax rate, and the HOA for this section is about $430 per quarter. If you were to finance this home with a 10% down FHA loan, here's what your monthly payment could look like. Principal and interest about $2,050, property taxes around $700, insurance and HOA close to $250. That brings your estimated total monthly payment to roughly $3,000 a month. One of the advantages of this floor plan is the hidden master bedroom in the first floor. So before we check that out, let's check out the back patio. Nice and decent with a nice wrought iron fencing. And they have a nice little money tree over here. For those of you that are into plants, I certainly am. It's really nice plants to have. So now let's check out the master. All right, that's one of the closets. The nice his and hers setup. This one does come with a stand-up shower, which they have a fiberglass over here. These are really durable materials. It doesn't look the fanciest compared to the tile, but as far as durability, I really like these. It's definitely a cheaper version, but if you're trying to go cost effective, there's nothing wrong with them. So we got another closet. A really nice storage over there. Then here we are connecting to that laundry room. Now let's go take a look at the upstairs. So as we come up the stairs, there's only the game room and then the 2 bedrooms. So not a whole lot to explore. We got the bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill. We'll check it out on that side. We got this really nice bedroom with the double door closet. View from the side of the home and the community. And then check out the last final bedroom. Here we are. Let me know what you think about this one. All right, folks, thank you very much for sticking with me all the way to the end of this video. I hope you guys got a lot of good information from watching it. If you did really like what you saw from Chesmar, they are on their last final opportunities in this community. So feel free to reach out to the number you see on the screen, and I'll be glad to guide you with any kind of questions that you might have. By the time we connect, they might be out of inventory, but Chesmars do build all around Austin, and we can talk about what other opportunities they have. Also, for your free resources, make sure to check out the link on the bottom of this video. That's where we have a lot of great information. We have access to our Facebook group where you can join, and then also download our 7 steps on how to build a new construction home from the ground up in Austin. Again, my name is Mehrshad, and we're looking forward to helping you find your next home.